Okay, money magnets, let's dive into how this credit union has $30,000 limits, just like Navy Federal Credit Union.
And guys, the great thing about it, anyone can join, and we're going to show you how to do that in this video and talk about the great products that they have.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the first card, which is the cash rewards card.
Okay.
Now, with this particular card, you get a 0% APR, not only on everyday purchases, but also on balance transfer.
Right.
So if you have a card that has a high interest rate on it and you do a balance transfer,
Right.
boom, Marvin, you get 0% interest on those first 12 months of doing that balance transfer.
Nice.
Okay. The other wonderful thing about this card is you get 1.5% cash back on everyday purchases.
Right.
That right there, money magnets, can be a cash flow changer because a lot of these cards have special categories that you have to be in order to get the percentage back. But on this particular card, you don't have to do that.
Right.
The other thing I love about this card, Marvin, is that it gives you $200 cash back bonus when you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days.
Yeah, that's good. Because
that is amazing.
Yeah, most cards want you to spend $3,000 or more to get $200 back. To only spend $1,000, that's good.
That's really good. As well as, you know what? You don't have to pay any annual fees to have this in your wallet. Like that right there is amazing. A lot of these credit unions are going to that where, you know, you can have this card and you don't have to pay those high annual fees and you get amazing benefits with these cards. They have a tap and pay. You know, I love the tap and pay, you know, where I don't have to always have to have my card on hand. I can just add it to my Apple Pay. I can tap and keep going. And you also get free credit monitoring with this particular card. You know, now you don't have to worry about going out paying for credit monitoring because guess what? It's right there for you. So you can know what's going on with your credit at all times. And that's really important, money magnets. But Marvin, let's see what other cards they have.
All right, let's go to the next one. All right, Glory, let's talk about the travel rewards cards.
Okay.
We love to travel. We're in Punta Cana right now. And guys, look, this one gives unlimited 2 times the points on every dollar you spend. Also, you get 35,000 bonus points on the first 1,500 you spend in the first 90 days.
Wow.
And you can redeem it on past travel, or you can redeem it on new travel, or you can get merchandise and gift cards. The other thing about it, it has no annual fee.
All right.
If you're late or miss a payment, your interest rate doesn't change.
Oh, wow. That right there that's amazing, Marvin, because a lot of times when you miss a payment, the first thing your credit card does is they jack up your interest rate.
Exactly. And look, guys, if you have a business and you're looking to get $250,000 at 0%, because the business side is a little different, make sure you book a call with Gloria and I. And Gloria, let's tell them about the next card that they have.
Okay, Marvin. So with this card, the Simply Visa card. Now with this card, it also has a 0% APR for the first 12 months on balance transfer as well as everyday purchases. Okay. Now this card has a low monthly payment. So that means that your APR is going to be a lot lower than on the other cards. Okay. There's no annual fee to carry this card in your wallet. You also get the free credit monitoring with this card. Okay. And just keep in mind, money magnets, that when you're applying for these cards, make sure that you look at all the benefits and choose the card that best fits your needs.
And look, guys, if you have high balances and high utilization, make sure you transfer those balances because you get another 0% for 12 months. Or if you've already been using 0% on 12 months on another card, now you get a chance to have 2 years at 0% for 12 months. So really sit down and strategize which credit unions you're going to join first and which ones you're going to do next, because you can have 2 years of not paying interest. That's amazing.
Definitely. Okay, Marvin, let's move over and see what other benefits they have.
All right, Glory, they have a secured card.
Okay.
So with this card, if you're building credit or if you have no credit, this is an excellent card to start a relationship with Baxter. Now, they're based out of Illinois, but guess what? We found out they also have a branch in Puerto Rico. And guess what? We live in Puerto Rico, guys. So we're going to join this credit union and keep you abreast of our journey with them. But if anybody else has any experience with Baxter Credit Union, make sure you drop some comments below because we want to help our community grow and we want them to have accurate information. And speaking of community, guys, we got a free community that you can join in the description.
Most definitely. And also make sure that you like and share. If you don't need this video, share it with someone else that you can most definitely help empower their finances.
And we just hit 5,000 subscribers, and we want to say thank you guys for helping us get there. And the new goal is 10,000. So please share this video.
Okay, so now Money Magnets, we're going to talk about the loan products that they offer. Okay, so they do offer a personal loan, Marvin, as well as a line of credit.
Right.
Now, let's look at some of the things that you can use these loans or line of credit for. You can do debt consolidation, home improvements. If you have like a big event in your life, like you're getting married, or maybe you just have some emergency auto repairs that you need, medical expenses, or if you want to do that fire vacation like we're in Dominican Republic, okay? So this would be a good opportunity for you to take out a personal loan or get a line of credit where you can use it as you need it.
Right.
Now, Money Magnets, keep in mind when we're talking about a loan, that loan payments start as soon as they drop that money in your account, okay?
It does.
But with the line of credit, it's an open-end line where you only pay as you use it, okay?
Right.
So you don't have to start paying right away. So if you get approved for it today and it shows up, you don't immediately start making payments until you actually start using the money off of that line of credit.
And keep in mind, with this credit union, they do pull TransUnion to get you started, but you can get 2 products within 30 days because that pull is good for a whole 30 days.
Yes. Now that goes back to when you can do that double dipping, Marvin.
Exactly.
Okay. Now the other thing is, Money Magnets, these loans go up to $30,000. So you don't want to sleep on this. But Marvin, let's go into the next product.
Okay. We're going to talk about the auto loans. Now, the auto loans, you can get pre-qualified before you actually go to the dealership.
Okay.
They go up to 75 months. Ooh. And guys, keep in mind, don't go to the dealership looking for money. You only go to the dealership looking for a car because you don't want all those inquiries. So get pre-approved by Baxter first, then go to the car lot. And look, they got low rates, a quick and easy process. Also, you can finance RVs and boats as well.
That's nice.
Keep all of that in mind. You can get different types of vehicles with Baxter Credit Union. And Gloria, let's not forget to tell them about the mortgages and the first-time homebuyer programs.
Yes, Marvin. So you know what this means, guys. Marvin, I want a house. I want another big house in Puerto Rico.
Let's do it, guys. What I love about them, you could do a purchase with an adjustable rate. They also have a fixed rate, and you have ARMs. Now, the cool thing about it, they actually put the credit scores on the website. So for purchases, your score could be as low as a 650. For purchase or refinance, it could be 620. And then for purchase and ARM, it could be 620. So that is amazing. And then you got down payments as low as 3%.
Wow.
You can get down payment gifts, 100% gifts allowed. I mean, that's amazing for all 3 products. No PMI insurance.
Yes.
I mean, so when you look at this, guys, you can get into a house with a very low down payment, whether you're a first-time home buyer or whether you're refinancing. And don't sleep on those ARMs, guys. A lot of people don't really ask about adjustable rate mortgages, but for certain individuals like medical professionals or legal professionals, it could be a great product to use.
And Marvin, you know what? We talk about this all the time, Money Magnets, that credit unions are all about the community.
Yeah.
So you don't want to sleep on, the amazing products that they most definitely offer.
Exactly.
But let's do a quick recap, Marvin, of what you need to join this credit union and what credit score they're looking at.
All right. The first thing you need to join is join Life Money U. You'll see it on their website. That is the easiest way to join Baxter Credit Union. Also, guys, they're going to pull your TransUnion Vantage score. Now, keep in mind, you want to have a high 700 score if you're planning on getting credit cards, line of credit, or auto loan. I would personally. And then I would make sure on my TransUnion, I have less than 3 inquiries. Okay. Also, I would pull my check systems and I would have less than 3 bank accounts open in the last 6 months to get the best chances of being approved for their products.
Most definitely, Marvin. This credit union is one that you don't want to sleep on.
Yes.
But wait a minute, hold up. I have a gem.
Okay, what you got?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you want another credit union that's better than Navy Federal, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.